You are tuned in to DZY Plus. You didn't know? Now you do.
Okay, period. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it, you know what I'm saying? What's the deal, y'all? It's your girl Nunu, and I'm here with DZY Plus at the launch of the Jason Lee Show. You already know we're going to be bringing you all of the positivity and all of the exclusives from the event. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Let us know who you are, sis.
Vanity Rose.
Okay, and what is it that you do, Vanity?
I sing, model, interior decorate, and I do fashion design.
Oh, a woman of many hats. So what brought you out tonight?
My girls brought me out tonight, honestly.
And that's on period. So since you sing, I feel like you just got to hit a little note for me. Just a little bit.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words. We soulful over here.
Soulful. The voice is giving me soulful. Okay.
Very much so.
Okay, well, so what is one positive thing that happened in your life in 2022?
Oh, there's so many. I found me, and I realized that starting over is not the worst thing in life. That's the biggest thing I learned in 2022.
Okay, we're going to take that seed for 2022. We're going to bring it to 2023. We're not going to be afraid to start over. Tell everybody Instagram and where they can listen to your music.
You can find me on Instagram, Miss Vanity Rose, MSVANITY ROSE. And you can find me on YouTube at Lots of Glitter and Shh. And I have over 150,000 subscribers. So we building over there, okay?
That's on period. Thank you.
Thank you,
Right, so tell us a little bit about your journey to Hollywood.
Well, I came from Chicago. I came here to pursue music and ended up doing a lot of things, and also ended up in a hit TV show, actually. The show is called I Think You Should Leave on Netflix, starring Tim Robinson, and I got to play Herbie Hancock. And I'm on a show that's coming out on PBS called Everybody with Dr. Angela Williamson. And that's coming out soon. And I'm also performing live on Sunset just down the street at the Catalina Jazz Club.
Okay, well,
just right.
You got a lot going on.
Yeah.
I love to see that. So what would be one word that you would give for yourself for 2023?
Gratitude.
And why is that important for you?
Because the more gratitude I feel, the more I continue to receive.
I believe that too. So let everybody know where they can find you on Instagram, or if you have a website, if they want to contact you.
Instagram is Aaron R. Akins. That's my Instagram. Facebook, all that. Aaron Akins Music is my website.
Okay.
And come check me out on this Friday, January 13th at the Catalina Jazz Club.
All right. Well, make sure you guys go check that out. Thank you so much for stopping with us.
Thank you.
All right, Mia, you looking good, girl. You giving the sequins. We love the silver. It's giving Happy New Year.
Thank you. It is. I'm still celebrating, so it's a very happy new year.
We are here celebrating Jason Lee's launch of his show. So what brought you out tonight?
Just my friends, just to celebrate as well, and congratulations to Jason Lee and all his business ventures. I think that's really great what he's doing right now, and doing his own thing and not letting anybody stop him.
Period.
Yes.
So what about you? What do you have going on for 2023?
I have so many different things going on. I'm a singer-songwriter, stand-up comedian, but I'm also into consulting and in the entertainment business, very well connected.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we love to hear that. So tell us where we can find you if we want to connect and get connected.
Well, you can find me on my Instagram, MeeZye, which is MEEEZYE. So that's M3EZYE.
Y'all go follow MeeZye right now. I'm about to follow her. Congratulations on everything that you have. Happy New Year, girl.
Thanks, girl. Happy New Year's.
All right, y'all. I'm live on the red carpet with Lip Poppy. How you feeling tonight?
Too blessed to be stressed, too much juice to be pressed.
Oh, I like that slogan. Okay, you coming with some rhymes? Are you an artist?
Oh yeah, you know I rap, sing, do everything they can't do in the ring.
Okay, so rap and sing right now at the same time.
Oh man, Benjamin said they waiting on me. When they see me VIP, I can see them hating on me. I'ma give them a reason to hate. Lit like a big first braid free Zippo.
Hey, I like that. Where we listen to that at? What's the name of that song?
Oh, so that's the score. That ain't out, but you probably gonna hear it tonight. All the DJs in the city playing it from Sam to Delilah. You feel me? It's produced by the Eastie Boys, Cloud Out, Gina Views, Jason Cash. They put me on with that.
All right, so what music project do you have out? Do you have a mixtape or album or anything out right now that you're working on?
So yeah, I got LA Legend already dropping June 23rd. It got Compton AD, Glasses Malone, Casey Veggies, Trey 23, Zoe, Sama, myself. We all legends already.
All right, I'd like to hear that. Well, what's one word that you would say is your word for 2023?
Elite. Can't spell elite without lit.
Period. Thank you for stopping with us. Let us know we can find you on the ground.
Lit Poppy Official. It's a bunch of fakes trying to hate and hack, but the real is back. So it's Lit Poppy, LITPAPI, the 0 for the O, FFICIAL. Lit Poppy Official.
All right, y'all. I'm here on the red carpet with the realest, Miss Kiwi. How you feeling tonight, sis?
I'm feeling good, excited, just out. First red carpet of the year, so I'm feeling myself like pretty much,
I know that's right. As you should. You look good, sis. So if you could pick one word for 2023, what would that be?
Baddies Rehab and Baddies LA, Bad Bitch LA, Bad LA, period.
Okay, tell us why. Why is it all bad?
Because Baddies Rehab, I will be appearing season 1 this year in February, and then I got Bad Bitch LA, and it's like, it's up this year, and I'm coming. It's another EP for the show, so we outside, and I got new music dropping, and I just dropped a single, so, I'm outside.
All right, let us know where we can find your single and where we can find you at on the ground.
Okay, so I'm at $1 Million Shit on Instagram, and then you can find me www.kiwimakingmillions.com everywhere, and you can find my music on all social media outlets and platforms, like everywhere.
Period. All right, Happy New Year, sis. Here with
AUDLEY Music, odd, you know the vibes.
That's right, and I am Nape the one.
The one.
All right, so Jason Lee is launching his show. So, media and black media is very important for us to get our story out there. What is something that you feel like black media can do to kind of excel? Because, sometimes it's like a lot of tabloids, a lot of negative connotations. So what do you think that one thing that black media outlets can do to exceed that?
I would say get out of people's personal business, but I know that's not what y'all about.
Oh my. Oh my.
Big facts, right?
Yeah, I would definitely say on my part, speaking up, my family's from Jamaica. Mm-hmm. So, I have the light skin privilege going on. So, being about my people and representing and speaking up where necessary.
I think that's very important too. So
Absolutely.
Positivity, I think let's enlighten the positivity, and not just every time I wake up in the morning, I see negativity. Every time I open my eyes, it's the negative going down my feed. Let's talk more about the positive things that people are doing for change.
Yes, let's talk about that though, because in hip hop culture there are a lot of positive things going on every day, and they highlight the negative. So what's one positive thing that you feel like that has happened that didn't really get a lot of media or a lot of acknowledgement that we should have celebrated?
Women in hip hop. Females are on the rise, but what I'd like to see is women supporting more women in hip hop instead of just railroading and talking trash about each other. I'd like to see the men lift the women up more. I would love to see that. I would love to see the men get off the stage and embrace the women on the stage. I would like to see that.
I think that's a beautiful thing. I love it. Listen, y'all came and brought the positive vibes. I love it. Thank you so much for stopping with Dizzy Diddy.
Absolutely.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Appreciate you.
What's the deal? I'm here, guys, with the legendary Trace Austin. How you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling hyped. I'm excited to be out, see a lot of familiar faces.
Yeah, so do you have any new music coming out? It's been a while since we talked to you, so are you working on anything new right now?
Yeah, so I just released a new song. It's called Pretty Like Ricky on all platforms. And I'm working on a few projects right now. I'm doing a festival and concert tour this summer.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds very, very lit.
Yeah.
So we're going to keep it quick. What is your word for 2023?
Success, persistency, everything. Just staying consistent.
I love to hear that. So tell us where we can find you on Instagram and how we can listen to your music.
You can find me, The Trace Austin, on Instagram, on all platforms. I'm Trace Austin. And TraceAustinMusic.com. You can keep updated to all the projects I have coming up. And I'm excited for you guys to be part of the journey.
Period. Well, thank you for stopping with us, Trace.
Yes, thank you.
All right, y'all. We're chilling here on the red carpet with A lovely lady. Tell us your name and how we can find you on Instagram.
My name is Shawna Moss. My Instagram is Sporty Barbie. That's SPORTY_BHARBIE.
All right, Sporty Barbie. So tell us a little bit about you. What is it that you do? What do you bring into the Hollywood?
Man, I'm the next best thing. I just actually auditioned for Dosh Network, so I'm newly casted on there.
Okay.
I just worked on set with Dutch 2. You know, I model, I do runway, I act, and I'm just me. Like, I'm just different. I'm here doing my big thing.
Period. Anybody that's just them, you can't lose just being you. So if you could pick one word for 2023, what would that word be?
Money.
My girl said, all I need is the money. I
Exactly.
like it. Okay. Well, so tell us where we can find you on Instagram and where we can get in contact with you.
Sporty Barbie, like I said, that's my name. I'm an actress, model, I hoop, I bartend as well, I do it all. So look out for me because I'm not going nowhere.
Period. All right, y'all. I'm here on the red carpet. You already know who I'm with, Joseph. And we call him Tommy because y'all already know that's where we going now. How you feeling tonight?
I feel incredible. I'm here to support Jason Lee. Jason Lee, an incredible cultural icon, creative genius, and now he's diversifying and coming out with even more, expanding his creative reach.
Okay. And I love to hear that, as a person in media, I think that's important. But, I got to ask you about Power Book. The way that the last episode ended, like, my heart was broken.
Liliana.
Yeah. Liliana.
Audrey Esparza, amazing actor.
How do you feel? What can you tell us about the upcoming season?
Well, I think that we were responsible enough to see that this kind of lifestyle really breeds loss, period. So how is Tommy going to rebuild? Where are we going to be at with Power Book 4 Force in season 2? And what we do is now we have Gary Lennon, who is from the Power universe, who is the co-showrunner of the Power show for seasons 5 and 6. And so he was really the heart and soul of Tommy. So it really comes back to the psyche and the heart of Tommy. This is going to be an intense season. Chris Lofton is on his A game, who plays Jannard Sampson. Isaac Keys, who plays Diamond Sampson. Unbelievable. We got something really special. I cannot wait for this season to drop, I swear to God.
Okay, I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? That makes me feel so good.
It's really good. I swear to God.
So tell us a little bit. Since I got red hair, I want to know, do you have a red hair fetish in real life?
Let me think about that for 2 seconds. No.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for stopping with us. All right, y'all. We're here with the man of the hour, Jason Lee. We're here.
Hi.
You got a show. They call you the culture critic, and I feel like sometimes that comes with a negative connotation. You have a media platform. Sometimes they say it could get a little messy. How do you deal with that? And I know you want to do positive things, so how do you deal with that?
Yeah, I mean, before entertainment, I worked in healthcare. And in healthcare, there are janitors. And janitors sometimes have to clean up mess. I'm not a janitor, but sometimes I'm a reflection of the world. And the world sometimes is messy. So do I have a messy job at times? Yes. And do I do it well? Better than most.
And
Absolutely.
you do. So tell us a little bit about, you were saying that you wanted to take control of the narrative and just control of your career as far as your show. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, I mean, I did this deal with Diddy and Datavio over at Revolt. I have complete creative control over my show. I own the show. I own the name. I own my name. And we have a very profitable partnership where we share in everything and we work together. And I text Puffy. It's an honor to be able to text Puffy, somebody that I've looked to for years, who's been a master marketer since Uptown Records, and now to be a part of the Revolt family is amazing. So black-owned business on a black-owned network, couldn't be any better.
You can't lose. Okay, last question. So I want to start my own media company one day. So what is some advice that you would give to me?
First thing you should do, and this is a plug for sure, go to my website, MediaMillionaires.com. That is the website where I'm offering people the A through Z, millions of dollars worth of game to be able to learn how to do what I did. I built a $50 million brand from scratch. I'm not any smarter than anybody else, but I also offer bi-weekly coaching sessions, a community for people to learn, and it just got kicked off on Black Friday, and I'm excited to hit the ground running once we get through the show launch.
Okay, well, can you tell us who the guest is, or you really gonna make us?
You're gonna see it inside.
Come on, just give us the tea.
No,
Come
not
on.
at all.
I thought,
no.
okay.
No.
I thought I had a friend, y'all.
It's a big one.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.